In the field of knitting and yarn technology, Professor Marcus O. Weber is a well-known and appreciated scholar, trainer and technical advisor. His reputation is not only acknowledged by his students at Niederrhein University, but also by national and international industries and organizations, such as the United Nations and highest courts in Germany. In this movie, he will demonstrate the basic difference between warp and weft knitting for different applications of knitted textiles. If you would like to participate in this film actively by doing a little checkup, we recommend to have pen and paper ready. Stop the film at the parts in question and write down what you know. In the following pictures and scenes, Professor Weber will show different applications of knitted textiles. In his lectures, the properties and specifications of the different fields of use are being discussed. Let's now participate in a discussion on car seat upholstery.
You sit there and you move a little bit and then you get some wrinkles and you sit on these wrinkles over hours. You get some...
The student asks whether high stitch density can improve abrasion resistance. In the course of his seminar, the different structures are being explained and sketched. By inviting students to draw their own sketches, Professor Weber wishes to offer an additional way of anchoring knowledge in your brain. The basic difference between warp and weft knitting is related to the yarn and thus the stitch direction. Weft knitting is when stitches from the same yarn are arranged horizontal, which means in the same course. Warp knitting is when stitches from the same yarn are arranged vertically, which means the following stitch is in the next course. Many misunderstandings, especially in trade and retail, could be eliminated by clearer technical definitions. If you like to take part in the next self-assessment for the classification of warp and weft knitting, get your pen and paper ready and be prepared to stop the video after each application.
easier saying it is waxed or it is wall-painted. This is the pullover which is knitted on a machine. You just pull away one yarn, it's falling down, it's coming out like that from the machine, and here you start the next sweater already. So this one is coming without sewing, without cutting, directly in this way from the machine. Just pass it around. To make it easier for you to recognize your car, what is inside, you just take it, cut a small piece, and you turn it a little bit, and then you see the stitches on that side.
Thank you.